guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm gonna show on how to plant a rice. First of all, to all viewers right there, thank you so much for watching my videos. And today's video, I would like to share to you on how to plant a rice. Okay, first of all, you need to get these seedlings right here. Okay, these seedlings, it takes 3 weeks. All right, and then we need to take this out slowly, like this, slowly and carefully, so that the seedlings will be damaged and you plant it very well. Okay, so here's our first step. You need to take the seedlings carefully, okay, and then put right here, put in the water so that the soil will be removed. Okay, so here's our first step. And then the second step is we need to plant right here. Okay, like this, we need to plant like this. Okay, so by the way, my brother Ray Kalamba, one of our very supportive brother. Okay, so guys, let's go. So we need to continue our work so that we can finish right now, right here. Okay, so guys, what's this?
Hello guys, right here, right now.
Alright guys, after we remove the seeds or the plants from the area right here, so we will bring this one to the area we will plant this. Okay, so we will go here so that we can plant this rice right there. So we need to careful here because there's a lot of water. Okay, so my brother is here. He is making the soil plain. Okay, plain and easy to plant. Okay, right here. So I will put my seedlings here. Okay, so right there, my brother is making this one plain. Yeah, Merida.
Here na.
Bunga na to ha. Wala na pahig na dahil. Ah. Okay guys, so we need to take a break because it's already a snack time. So right here we have a food. Say bakawan na right? What our food right here? Here oh. Here is our food. Okay? And we have a glass of water. So wala yung gatong kwan right? Okay guys, so we have a royal right here. It's
Yan, magalaw pa yan.
here, our sponsor from Royal, okay? Royal Company, the Coca-Cola. Okay, so let's go, let's eat. Pino ma?
Yun ka. Ongko.
In English, right? In English. Oh yan, in English ha. Diyan, ada ah. Ini ma?
Muli, ay lang siya.
Huwag mo siya. Nakitaan niya. Kali may sudlanan. Bili na ni.
Ah, ma.
Ha?
Ah, kalau betang.
Okay. So, pagkutang na. Nabatok. Panare. Ang dadon ning sidanan uban, bibili ni duha.
Ikitan ka rin, Ikitan ka gamay. Alright guys, we need to stop our work right here because it's raining. So here it's raining the area, so we need to stop. And guys, that's the problem if you have climate change right here. Okay, so very difficult when you are in the field and you are a farmer. So we need to accept the truth that it's very hard. Okay, so later on we will continue our job. Okay. Hey guys, it's another day, it's another morning. So we will continue our job right here because yesterday it's heavy rain is coming, so we stopped the job. Okay, so we stopped the working right here in the field. So right now I will teach you on how to plant a rice. Okay, so first of all, right here I have seedlings of the rice. Okay, so when you plant this rice, it's kind of like this. You will get, you estimate maybe 10 or 8 pieces of seedlings. Okay, right here. So you will plant this, say for example you will press this one. Okay, so you will put in the soil and slowly put in the soil, and be careful because the roots are sensitive. Do not press like this, okay, because the plants will be damaged. And you will hold the roots right here, okay, and press it, okay, and don't press very hard, okay, like that, because the plants will be damaged. And right here, like this, you will and fill with the soil. Okay, that's how you plant a rice. Okay, because yesterday we start to plant the rice. Okay, so I will show and how it goes right here. Okay, so this is how to plant a rice. When you plant a rice like this, be sure that the snail, you get the snail, and because the snail will eat the plants right there, and you will throw this one in a land without water. Okay, so as you can see right here, the plants are far apart from each other so that it will grow healthy. Okay, so as you can see, this is the normal step. Okay, this is the step, this is the estimated step, because if you step this one, the plants will not be damaged. Okay, so guys, I hope that you learn from my tutorial on how to plant a rice. Okay, so guys, maybe we'll end up this video, and I do hope that you like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget also to press the bell button below so that if you are a new upload, you will be notified. Okay, thank you and God bless. Bye bye.